Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how you can clean your washing machine at home with the products you have already at your home. And as you can see, this one washing machine, it's pretty clean from inside, and I have been doing really simple things. Okay, and this washing machine is over 7 years old and it's still working every day because we have 2 little kids and we are washing every day. So first thing you will need is some really good brush for the bottles. Okay, you are gonna need 2 bottles of apple cider vinegar, white apple cider vinegar. You are gonna need 1 baking soda and 1 lemon acid. This is a lemon acid. Okay, and then you are gonna need some bucket for that. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is just put half of baking soda in the bucket. So half of this baking soda put in the bucket, then use probably 2 deciliters or 3 deciliters of this apple cider vinegar with the baking soda. Use brush, do like this, and then wash the whole washing machine. Just clean it like that. Okay, nothing else, just clean it, brush it. Okay, that's all you have to do. You will see that the whole mess is gonna go down. And also don't forget to washing this silicone in the washing machine, because it's really important. There is a lot of mess, you can see it from the picture. I already uploaded. I'm really sorry that I didn't make the video before and now, but it's the same washing machine I used to clean yesterday, and it was really dirty. You could see it from the picture right now. Okay, so first step is just clean the washing machine with the brush, half of this baking soda and probably 2 deciliters of apple cider vinegar. Then the last step is just open the washing machine, put the rest of baking soda inside, and put the whole lemon acid inside of baking soda. Then the rest of apple cider vinegar, just give it inside the washing machine, 2 whole bottles. Okay, and just put it inside it, and that's it. Close it, and then I was setting my program like this one. I will show you. Okay, I was used this one 95 degrees. Okay, 95 for 2 hours, and that's all I was using. And you can see that this washing machine is really old and it's working every day. So it's up to you if you are gonna try this method. But as I told you, all you need is 2 bottles of apple cider vinegar, 1 lemon acid and 1 baking soda, brush, some napkin, okay, for cleaning the rest of silicone mess, and that's it. That's all you need for cleaning your washing machine. Thanks, bye.